Are you looking to create a free website? Amazing, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an entire website for free. This will be a WordPress website with a free hosting and free domain name. So if you're interested in creating a website, but as of right now, you're this person who doesn't know how to make a website, then you need to watch this video because I'm going to take you through this process so that after watching this video, you'll become this guy over here or this girl who knows exactly how to build a website and get everything done for free. So if you're interested in all of that, that's great because I'm going to show you where you need to go in order to build a website, how you can then do this from start to finish, so from A to Z, and then actually publish your website as well so that it's a live website on the internet that anyone can visit. So if you're interested in building your own website for free, make sure to watch this video all the way until the end. And with all of that being said, let's jump into my PC where I'm going to teach you how to do this. Alright, so here we are on my PC. Now the first step is getting free domain names. Alright, so in order to get a free domain name, we're going to be using a website called Freenom. Now, if you've never heard about Freenom before, this is a website where you can get your own free domain names. Like I just said, that's our first step. So what you can do is click on Services, then click on Register a new domain, which will take you to this website where you can find a new free domain name. So what you can do is type in the domain name that you would like to get. For example, if you want to call your website HTD Media like I want to do, you then type that in here and you click check availability. Now what this will do is that it will show you all available domain names that are currently available. So I can get all of these, like these 5 domain names, for free. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to choose one. So let's say I want to go with this one, .ml. What I do is I click get it now. I'm then going to select that to my cart. You can then click on checkout over here, and this will send you over to the checkout page. Now this is actually really important, so make sure to pay attention. So right there you can choose the period. What you need to do is choose 12 months. So for the first 12 months, this will be a free domain name. What you can do after that is simply let it expire and get it again, or simply use a different ending of your domain name. So what you can do is select 12 months like I just did and then click continue. And this is where a lot of people get stuck. So make sure to pay attention here. You can see it's totally free, but a lot of people are not able to sign up for a new account, because as you can see right there, it only says sign in and not sign up. So what you need to do is enter your email address over here. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter my email address, which is not that email address. So make sure to simply type in your email address over here. And then in a few seconds from now, I'm going to show you the next step. So type in your email, click verify my email address. It will then send you over here and you need to verify that email address first. So I'm going to go over to my Gmail, going to refresh, and there it is. Click on the email, then click on this link, and you've just created your account where you can then claim your domain name. So what you need to do is enter all of your details over here. So enter your first name, last name, company name in case you have a company, your address, zip code, city, and all of this stuff. Once you're done, you want to tick this box and then click complete order. It will then send you over here once you've created your account where you can click on complete order. You can then go back to the home page where you can click on services and click on my domains over here. So right now I'm signed into my actual account, so the domain names are different. But what you can do, guys, is simply copy your domain name and then we're all set. So now that we've got our domain name, we need free hosting. Now for free hosting, we're going to use a website called infinityfree.net. So you want to go to this website over here and you can then sign up right now by clicking on this button where you need to enter your email address, a password, and a password again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter my email address. I'm going to come up with a password. You want to do that as well. And then once I continue, I should be able to get free hosting. So make sure to sign up right here. So I'm not a robot, click create new account. And then once again, verify your email address. So we're going to go back to my email. There's the email, click verify email address, and there you go. Your email address has been verified. You can now create your hosting account. Awesome. So right now we're almost done setting all of this up and we can almost get started creating our website. But before we can get started with that, you want to go back to Freenom. You want to click on Manage Domain right there. And you can then go to Management Tools and then click on Name Servers. What you want to do is click on Use Custom Name Servers. Then you want to click on the link in the description down below, which will send you over to this specific blog post, and you want to copy these domain name servers. Click right there, paste that, then copy the second one, and then you also want to paste that in there. There we go. And then click change name servers. So that's step number 3. So once you've got this done, changes saved successfully, you can get started on Infinity Free and set up our hosting. So what we're going to do now is set up our hosting and access WordPress so that we can create our website using WordPress. So what you want to do after completing all of that is clicking on Create Account. Now, this might actually take a while, guys. So first of all, you want to click Custom Domain, then go back to Freenom and then copy your domain name. Then you want to paste that in there, just like that. Click Search Domain. Alright, so the domain name howtodigitalyoutube.ml is available. I tried this one, the TK one as well, but it didn't work because of abuse on Infinity Free, so make sure to use a .ml one or any other one that actually works. Now what you can do next is change the account label if you want to, which is not necessary, and then generate a password. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to type in a password. I'm going to confirm this and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, there we go. Your account has been created with username, and then you can see your username right there. Now what you need to do next is click on Open Control Panel so that we can start installing WordPress. Now sometimes, in my experience, it might take a few minutes or even hours to link these two together, so you might want to have some patience, but let's just see if it already works. Let's open the control panel. Let's approve this so that we can actually access our control panel. And there we go. This is a control panel. If we scroll down, we can install WordPress. So we want to find software and then Softculus Apps Installer. Click on this. And as you can see right there, please allow 20 minutes, then retry. So like I said, in my experience, it actually takes anywhere between 10 up to 20 or even a few hours to basically connect these two together so that you can get going with WordPress. So I'll have some patience, I'll wait, and then I'll get back to you once this is done. Alright, so after a few minutes, I was able to click over here, and then as you can see right there, it's working. So I can now install WordPress so that we can start building our website. So you want to click on WordPress right there, and then click on Install. All I need to do first is add an admin username. So I'll go with Gary HTD, scroll down, and then click on Install. Alright, so after a few seconds or minutes, it will install WordPress. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So we can now take a look at our website by clicking on this link right there, because that is our website. So this is what our free website currently looks like, but we're going to customize all of this. If you click right there, you can sign in to the backend of WordPress, and this is where we can do all of the website settings and all of that good stuff. So as of right now, like I said, this is our website. It's just an empty page, but what I'm going to do is show you how you can start building up the website. Alright, so here we are on WordPress. The first thing I want to do is go over to plugins, click add new, so that we can install some website themes. So what I'm going to do is search for a plugin called Astra, which is going to help us select some cool themes. As you can see right there, starter templates. So you want to click install now. It's then going to install this to your WordPress website, and this is how you can basically do this with any plugin. Click on activate, and there we go. So we've just activated Astra, so we can now start using this to pretty much change the theme of our website. So let me just click right there. Alright, so if you then go to appearance and then click on starter templates, you'll be opening the Astra plugin. If you click over here and then click free, you can take a look at all the free website themes that are available. So all of these are free, and we can start using these to build our website. So all you need to do now is simply choose and find a template, a theme that you like. So for example, I kind of like this one. What you would then do is click on it, and you can click on import complete site. So it's going to complete all of these. It's going to import all of these, or you can click on import contact template. So for example, if you would only like to use the home page, you can only click right there. But I'm going to pretty much do the entire website. So I'm going to click import, and what it's going to do right now is going to add this theme and this template to our WordPress website, so that it's not boring like this, but it actually becomes a pretty cool website. So as of right now, it's importing, and I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. You can see that the import process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the site and the speed of the connection. So I'll get back to you once all of this is done. And there we go, imported successfully. So what we can now do is click on view site, and we can see what our site now looks like. And there we go. So we've just got ourselves an amazing looking theme that we can then use to build our website. So this, guys, is pretty simple, and it actually gives you a pretty amazing website as well. So we went from this to this in just one simple click by just importing a website theme. So this is what my website now looks like. Now if you want to start customizing it, what we can do is click on customize over there in our dashboard, and then we can start building our own website. So we're using a theme, but we actually want to customize it so that it actually becomes our website. Now what I recommend doing is downloading Elementor on WordPress. So that's another plugin. So if you go to plugins, then click add new, and then simply download Elementor, you can really customize your website in a simple way. So what you can do is use the sections over here. So for example, if you want to edit the header, you can click right there. You can then do all of this, right? So you can change the logo, you can remove it, for example. So the logo will now be gone, and there we go. So this is pretty much where you can start customizing your website. So if you then type in Elementor and you search for that, you want to install this as a plugin. So I'll just wait for this to show up. There we go. So you can see that I already have it installed, but you want to make sure to use the Elementor website builder. So we can use this to build our entire website. So what you can do is go to pages. For example, if you want to edit the homepage, you click right there on edit. So it will then go over here. So we're just going to skip all of this, get started, click on edit with Elementor. And we can then pretty much use drag and drop editing to build our entire website. So it's going to load Elementor, and this is one of the best tools that you can use to set up a website. As of right now, it looks like this. Like I said, doesn't look too bad, especially if you consider that we're only doing this for like 15 minutes or so. So if we go in here, we can use drag and drop editing to edit our website. So what you can do is select the section that you would like to edit, click on this, then select the text. For example, oops, it's my bad. Let's say I want to use a simple text like HD media, just like that. You can then change the text color by simply going to style, click text color, and just move around. So all of this is drag and drop editing, and it's all pretty simple. Alright, so once you've got it done, you simply want to click right there and then click save or update. So if I want to change the color and save it, simply click update, and then you're set. So this is how you can build your entire website, guys. So what I recommend doing is changing your template. So change the theme first. Then once you've got a theme that fits your audience and your website, you can use Elementor to pretty much customize the entire website. So this is drag and drop. You simply click and you can start customizing it over here, where you can change colors, text, sizes, pretty much everything with drag and drop, so no coding. So as of right now, this is what our website looks like. If I just update this, let's see if it actually changed HD media. Yes, there we go. So you can see that this is our website that I just set up within like 20 minutes or so. So you can see that this is now my website that I just built up in just a few minutes. So this is my domain name. If we then click right there, it will go to the website. So it's actually live as well. So that's how you can build a website for free in 2020 and 2021 as a complete beginner without coding. I'm not selling you guys anything, so all I'm going to ask for in return is a like on this video and a comment letting me know if this works, or if you have any questions, please subscribe. That would help me out as well. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.